Let's discuss about how to add business hour in business Google My Business profile. Let's click on it. uh, I just selected one of business account because I have multiple business account to manage it. So click on the edit button, edit profile button. Let's go to the hours. Then you can see that we can edit this one. Let's say click on edit. You will see that open with main hours, open with no main hours, temporary close, permanent close. Okay, so we have open with the main hours. If you see that Monday, you can add, also we can add afternoon, day afternoon button as well. Means let's say if someone have morning 6 to 11, right, then they were 6 to 11, then they will start 4 p.m. and end with the 9 p.m. That we can also add. So Google My Business provide the flexibility of our businesses, so you can add it there. Okay, if you see that this business will be open on 6 a.m. and ended on the 18 at the 6 p.m. Okay, so you need to click on the save button and update it. Okay, as well as if you see that we can add the special hours. Means let's say we have a Mahashivratri, Rangoli, or something Gudi Padwa, Christmas. That day also we can add the special hour. Let's say we have a Mahashivratri. Let's say we can add that that time our business will be start and end earlier. Okay, let's say we will start with the 6 p.m. but it end with the 2 p.m. Okay, that stuff we can add it as well as a special hours. Okay, so make sure that you need to add your business hour will be visible, and as well as make sure it will be on your time, because the customer will be call you on the basis of whatever the business hour you are mentioning in your chart. Okay, because if we add odd hours, or if your business is closed but people, if you open all the day, then it will having issue with the calling, because whenever the people will be reach out to your business account, that time it will look like your business is open, so then that time the customer will call you, but from your end it will not receive, because you from your perspective it is end. So that's why the Google My Business provide the better visibility for the user. So for the business hour, you need to add proper business hour to, it will help to the user to contact you. Okay, so thanks for watching the video.